A 12-week program at the University of Alberta is helping patients deal with chronic health issues breathe through their discomfort. Empower is led by Dr. Puneeta Tandon, an associate professor at the university's medicine department. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. So let's start off with the Empower. It started off as a study. What were some of the key findings that you found?
Yeah, so Nicole, great question. Thank you so much for having me. So Empower, like you said, 12-week online program that we gave to individuals living with chronic conditions because we know life's hard and life is even harder when you're living with a chronic condition. So with this, we gave them wellness practices that they were able to do at home on a mobile device, 20 to 30% improvements in depression, in anxiety, improvements in fatigue that they were having. So overall, they felt happier and stronger and more energized.
So let's just talk basically about the breathing. What are these? How does it help everyone?
Yeah. So breath work is, we're breathing 20,000 times in a day. So breath work's when you're taking conscious control of some of those breaths in order to help your mental state and also help your body to feel better. And so we know with these breathing techniques, there's so many benefits and they work in different ways, but really they're having impact on your mind and on your body in order to reduce stress levels, reduce inflammation, improve immune function as well. So many, many different strategies that they're working by.
Okay, let's go through some of the best breathing practices that you have found that have really worked with those who have taken the study.
One of my favorites to teach is something that we do naturally when we're stressed, which is a sigh. And so a sigh is you're just breathing in through your nose and you're breathing out. And so we do that naturally. So doing the sigh, what's happening there is you're taking a breath in through your nose, you're breathing out through your mouth, and you're breathing out longer than you're breathing in. By doing that, you're stimulating something called the vagus nerve, which is how many of these techniques work as well, is it activates that nervous system part called the rest and relax part of the nervous system. So if we do this together, breathe in through the nose, breathe out through the mouth. And you're making that sound that makes it even deeper. That's called ocean breathing or ujjayi breathing, like you're fogging up a mirror. Okay. 5 minutes once a day, if you can, 5 minutes twice a day is all you need to start getting some benefits. You'll feel it right during those 5 minutes, and after 30 days, almost guaranteed to have better emotional regulation.
And you also mentioned earlier during the break box breathing. Quickly, what's that about?
Okay, box breathing is great for focus and clarity, so the Navy SEALs actually use it for that purpose. You are drawing a box with your breath. So you're imagining breathing in for 4 seconds, holding for 4 seconds, breathing out for 4 seconds, holding for 4 seconds. And everyone's box will vary. If you want to start at 3, that's fine. If you can go to 6 or 7, that's fine as you advance.
Well, thank you so much for joining us this morning and sharing your expertise with us. Now, if anyone is interested in upcoming Empower programs, you can email empower@ualberta.ca.